How to create an account on Adfast's e-commerce platform. Follow these super easy steps. Go to Adfast.store and click on Login at the top right of your screen. Click on Sign Up and fill out your information in all required fields. Once entered, click on Sign Up. You will receive an email to confirm that your email is correct. You simply have to click on the blue link to confirm. Once your email is verified, our team will receive a notification to approve your account creation. You will receive another email when your account is created. Then you can log in. Don't wait any longer, place your first order online now. For any questions, click on Contact Us to talk to a member of our team. Adfast.store, the easiest way to place your orders.